Let's dive in. First, click on the AI text-to-video icon. Here you can add your own script, but we are going to focus on the icon that says generated by AI. Here, you have three things: choosing the type of video you are creating, the topic, and we are going to use pizza is better than tacos. Then, in the bottom box, you will want to give a description of your topic. We will say, explain why pizza is better than tacos in a 1-minute video, and press generate text. Here is our script, and the last thing we need to do is choose the language. Choose the aspect ratio, and for shorts, you will want to choose 9:16. Then lastly, choose who you want to do your narration. We will choose Jason for this one. This is the editing view in Filmora. On the left, everything is divided into tracks, separating your audio and video into separate tracks. Let's watch the video.
Pizza is, without a doubt, better than tacos. Why? Let me count the ways. First of all, pizza has endless toppings and flavor combinations. You can have a classic pepperoni, or get creative with toppings like spinach, feta, and artichokes. When it comes to tacos, the ingredients are limited to what you would typically find in Mexican cuisine. Secondly, pizza is more versatile than tacos. You can easily eat it on the go, or sit down for a fancy restaurant-style meal. Tacos, on the other hand, are typically eaten as a casual street food. Lastly, pizza just tastes better than tacos, the perfect crust. Melty cheese with perfectly seasoned tomato sauce is the ultimate comfort food. Meanwhile, tacos can often be greasy and messy. In conclusion, while tacos have their place in the culinary world, pizza is undoubtedly the superior choice. So next time you're deciding what to eat, skip the tacos and order a delicious pizza pie.
Not bad for a video that hasn't been edited. Now let's save our project by going into File and choosing Save as option. We will save this as pizza versus tacos. Next, we have to export our video. But first, let's make sure our project is in the correct aspect ratio by clicking this button. Looks like we're good here. Now we can export our video, so it's ready for YouTube. So, there you have it, a YouTube-ready video in just a few minutes. If you want more content like this, please like and subscribe.